Hey, what's up, dude?
Hey, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good afternoon, everyone. Remember, safety first. So when you come over to your buddy's place to do an oil change, instead of doing it at home, and it's wet here, you gotta come prepared. So I got my cubbies, I don't mind getting wet, got a hoodie, oil I gotta bring. Wait a sec, a Mazda filter into a Subaru car. That's right. The thread pitch is the same as it is on the GD, but it's a little bit taller. Same kind of filter material, but wait for it. Yeah, that's what we're talking about.
Oh, that's crazy, I never...
So that's what I'm gonna change with today. Do you have a second Blackstone kit? Do you want one?
Yeah, they sent me like 3.
Okay, good, perfect.
No joke, they sent me a whole bunch.
Perfect, perfect.
I'm not gonna do it again.
Yeah, there we go. Let's do this.
Nice. Dude, you brought the motor, eh?
Yeah.
Nice. Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? As you can see, today is a maintenance day, so we're gonna be doing oil changes on my WRX, my friend Gabe's WRX, and I'm also finally changing out my cabin and intake air filters after 60,000 kilometers. Today, I finally went and picked them both up. They're expensive. The engine air intake was 40 bucks and the cabin air filter was 50 bucks. So I'm gonna be swapping those out as well, and we're gonna see how dirty it is. It's gonna be interesting.
Oh yeah, and I don't care, but well, I'm still gonna get wet, but at least I
won't be that bad. It's not as wet at the front of the garage, at least.
Okay, hey y'all, this is my WRX. This is the one featured in the coilover gifting video, if you'll recognize it. Super thankful still that I have those, but as you can see, it's quite winter. It's quite wet, and having a set of coilovers right now isn't really worth the install. So just amassing parts for the spring. I got white line top hats, COM Cs. The coilover's obviously gonna save up for a couple other things, and she'll get them in the spring. Just jacking her up right now.
Haka 9s.
Haka 9, that's right, studded.
The studded tire life in Canada here. It's actually a lot warmer here today than it was in my last video that has for some reason just actually blown up. It's got so many views. I don't know why, but it's a random video.
It's a good video, man, that's why.
Thanks, man. Yeah. What I'm using, guys, is gonna be, as always, the Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, but they've changed the bottle to this yellow bottle. I've got 5 liters and then a little mini jug to top it off.
Yo, look at this wetness. This wetness.
Oh man, you go right on the ground.
That's why I'm wearing this.
That's the worst thing about winter here is like, when you need to do work on your car, it's just so wet everywhere. We can all give a moment to appreciate the VAs, where you don't need a single tool or anything really to change your oil if you have the drain valve like I do. Unlike on these guys, you gotta take off that bottom trim.
I'm salty.
Poor guy.
Not as salty as my car though. Ugh.
Loosen this guy up. Gabe, what's the status?
Just making sure I don't get any more wet, you know? Oh, I gotta pull the plastic trim clips now for this underskid tray. Hopefully don't struck any.
Oh. Hey, I have another trim tool that may not be as good as yours.
It's a fork design. These are these ones. Where are they again? I don't remember. There's one right here.
1 hour later.
Finally, eh?
Yeah, so don't be a noob like me and think I have a GR where I remove the ones from the fender liner. On the GR, you gotta remove the ones on the fender liner. Me, I forgot because, well, I work on too many Subarus. Ugh, such a nub. Back to your regularly scheduled programming. Check out my zip stitch.
Yeah. Oh, you did one there?
I had to. Busted there.
Meanwhile, I'm over here and we're all done. We just gotta put the new oil in. All right. We're pretty much done. Yep. Look, all the oil's already drained out. It's not bad. It's like bubbles.
Whoop. As long as you don't see connecting rods in there.
It's not bad at all. So now I just have to do the filter. As you guys know, I always put some oil on the gasket and then put the new filter on. But I guess this video serves the purpose to show how easy and quick it is to do the oil change on the VA WRX compared to previous generations. Put the new oil on there. Put the new filter back in place.
Okay.
All right, finally getting that oil drained.
If this thing would stay. Sorry, well look at all that coolant. Right.
2 hours later.
Yeah, there's some, yeah, if you have a shop towel, take it, because I don't want to drip it onto the garage floor.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Time to put the oil back in. Well, let's see what this guy can do with his aim. Oh, nice.
Yeah, but I gotta see her for like an hour at this. So, what are your plans for the weekend while I sit here for another year?
Alright guys, and just like that, the maintenance day is complete. Oil changes are done on both our Subies. The Pennzoil Ultra is what I've been using forever, and I do really like it. It works really good, meets all the specs. I did about 8,000 kilometers again on this engine oil, and I did 8,000 the previous time. And previously, I had filmed a whole video on the oil analysis. I got a whole oil analysis actually done by Blackstone, and then I accidentally formatted the card, erased all the footage. But I'll post that up here if you guys want to see some of the specs on my oil for like 60,000 kilometers, what it's been kind of running at.
Well, he's recording now, yes. Just GR.
We're gonna make a video of that car that you probably heard but didn't see. Alright guys, successful maintenance day complete. When it isn't minus 30, we take advantage of that opportunity to get some work done on the Subies. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this kind of random behind the scenes maintenance day video. If you guys want to check out Gabe's WRX and more of what he's doing on it, I'll have a link down below in the description to his Instagram. And so that's it guys, thank you so much for watching as always, and I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are.